So I wanted to make an important remark that if you're given a short exact sequence, from A to B to C to 0, and you dualize it, then all that fails is just the exactness at the left hand side. Now what does this mean precisely? Let us write this down. So you have the sequence from A to B to C to 0, dualize it, so instead of A now we have A star, that is homomorphism from A to G, B star homomorphism from B to G, C star homomorphism from C to G. So and corresponding to map I, we have I star and J star. So this is what we need to show. So let us prove this. So the proof just lies in this diagram. This is I and J. This is map J star. So similarly, we have map I star corresponding to map I, and say you have phi 3 here. So the only non-trivial thing to show here is that image of J star is equal to kernel of I star, and we proceed in two ways. First, we show image of J star is contained in kernel of I star. So how do we do that? Say there is a map phi 2 in J star. So we have to prove it lies in kernel of I star, that is, we have to show that I star phi 2 is 0. So this is what we have to prove. But I star phi 2 is nothing but phi 2i. This we have to show it is equal to 0. But notice that we are starting from the point that phi 2 lies in the image of J star. So phi 2 has to be equal to J star phi 1, for some phi 1. So phi 2 is phi 1j, put I like that, but ji is 0 because the sequence A to B to C to 0 is exact. So obviously now this map is equal to 0 and we are done. Other direction. If you start with some map, say just phi here. Say this map phi is here. So we started with the map phi, which is in the kernel of I star, and we want to show that this map comes from some map, say psi, from C to G. So this should be lying in some image of J star. Or this diagram should be commutative. This is what we have to show. This phi is equal to this psi j. So but what is phi I? Phi I is equal to psi j. So we have to show that phi I is equal to phi j I, because I will essentially cancel out. But this is true, phi I is 0 and phi j I is 0. one side is given to you, other side comes from the exact sequence. Now you already know that image of I lies within kernel of J. So in this equation, I can cancel I out. Yeah, and that will give us the proof. If we cancel I out, you have the result.